Let me show you how to connect and pair your Garmin Sense 3 with a smartphone. So this watch actually works with both Android phones and also iPhones. First, let's turn it on, press and hold the control button on this watch and leave it aside. Next, we are going to go to the Play Store or the Apple Store, and we are going to download this app called Garmin Connect. And also there is one more app that we actually need to download. So first download this app, and also Connect IQ Store also download this app. So this is where you can download and install additional applications and Watchfaces. So both are actually needed. And then we can press open. By the way, also before you start this process, also verify that your Bluetooth is actually okay and actually running. So both on Android and also on your iPhone. So verify that your Bluetooth actually is running. Then it will ask you to actually create account or actually log in. So I already have account, so I can simply press my account. So, but you will see basically a page like a prompt here basically that asks you to make account. So you will simply need to enter your email address and password, and yeah, account will be made. But again, I'm going to use what I already have. Okay. Yep, allow the notifications for this app. Okay, and make sure to allow this nearby scanning, so otherwise again it won't be able to find our watch. And as you see, it's pretty much found it instantly. As you see, I didn't really even need to select language or whatever. Maybe you can select the language here, but do not click here any further if it actually finds. So if it doesn't find, we can also click the button. So, but leave it aside. So they are a very capable device. So, and yes, there's not much to do. So again, let's click connect, allow this stuff, and will ask for this pin code. So confirm is a match. So, and also confirm here. Okay, and let's simply wait. So this might take maybe 20 or 30 seconds. So let's simply wait how long it takes. So even faster. So very fast actually. Next, we need to confirm our sleep schedule. So this will actually help us. Basically, it will help the watch determine basically when to engage the sleep mode the best. So this will help basically track our sleep better. So also we can edit our goals here, for example, for the step count for day, for floors and stuff like that. So you can click next, allow notification access. So yep, you actually want, otherwise you again won't be able to receive notification. Again, let's allow this and click permissions, location, and allow our location access. So again, you pretty much need to give access to all these things if you want this thing to actually work properly. Again, allow call log access. So again, you can also get call notifications on this phone as well, and also SMS messages. So again, we want to allow this, otherwise again. And as you see, it's all set. So again, I'm not even clicking anything on the watch. So if you start to click something, yeah, it's not really the best. So if it finds everything, you really have to leave it simply aside. Also, here is a quick tutorial that will offer. So we will skip this and we are pretty much set. Also, it asks you to set up your Garmin Pay. Maybe we can also do that later. So let's click not now. Okay, I guess finally maybe we have to click it over here. So actually we had to click that button once everything is okay, app setup complete. So, and as you see, our watch is ready. So if you want to set up the watch itself, maybe change watch face, you can simply press and hold the menu button, and you will have this option as the first one. So we can select with GPS button, and then we can navigate all the way down. If you want to maybe add another watch face, so let's add another random watch face, for example, maybe this one. Okay, and apply. Again, confirm. Okay, so I clicked something randomly. So as you see, I have new watch face. Also, if you want to edit this watch face, again, click and hold the menu button. Again, go back, select the watch face you want to edit, select the GPS. click data. Again, the GPS button acts as a confirm button also. So confirm, accept, and yes button essentially. And this is a back button, so on this side. So we can go back in the menus and various other things. So let's we can choose various data. So, and we can use the menu and this ABC button basically to go up or down. So this is also up and down button. So again, we can switch and choose from different items that we actually want in this field. So once you're satisfied with that item in the field, we can press GPS button to cycle to the next selection. Again, select what you want there. And okay, once done, again, we can press this and we have our newly customized watch face done. And if you want to start exercise, simply press the GPS button once. It will ask you to select your favorite exercises. So let's select. So simply tick something that you want. And again, can go back once satisfied. Okay, again, accept with the GPS button. So again, the GPS button acts as acceptance button essentially. So next time we launch, as you see, you have our exercise here, and we can again start with the GPS button. So wait for the GPS to lock on, and then press again the GPS button to start. For example, pause exercise, we can again use a GPS button. So you see it's paused, and then we can either resume it, or also it will give you like these various options. So again, and if you press this again, it can actually give us some options. So we can also like discard it as well, or save it as well. And once we save exercise, it will actually get sent to our phone as well. So in a short moment, actually, it will arrive on our phone, so we will be able to actually view it as well. Okay, and again, to go back out of all menus, again, keep clicking this back button. Also, if you click and hold the control button over here, you see you actually have like different quick menus that you can access on this watch. And then also this watch has a torch as well, so we can click double click the upper button to turn on the torch. So, and also double click it to turn it off if you want to like adjust the brightness of the torch. So this is kind of tricky. So first double press it, turn it on, and you see on this side you have these like brightness adjustments levels. So also we can turn on this red mode. So but this adjustment mode like pops up for only like maybe 2 seconds, so, and then it disappears. So you have to act kind of fast. Then also again, if we click these menu buttons and ABC button, we can actually access these various tiles. So it's sending me some notification. So these are called glances, and these are essentially all the options in your watch. For example, we can check our weather. So again, very useful stuff. So this is all the health stuff here, training stuff. And again, if you want to add more of these things, again, scroll all the way down till it says this edit button. Again, confirm with GPS button. And again, scroll all the way down here till you see the add button, press the plus. Okay, and then select which additional these glances we want to see. So for example, we can add the body battery, health snapshot, heart rate, and yeah, basically add whatever you want. Also we have music controls here, and again, once satisfied, we can go back out, and as you see, our new stuff that we actually selected got added here. And yeah, but by the way, this watch actually has like crazy amounts of options and things that you can actually choose from. Okay, and also let's quickly go over the app. So as you see, basically that activities that I finished on this watch got actually sent here. If you click, it will basically show the details. So it was way too short to show anything, but yeah, basically we have everything here. You can see your step count, as you can see, and also you have these various glances. So I suggest you to click see all and click this edit button. So because by default actually there are maybe like 4 or 5 things added. So simply browse through the thing you want and simply add them. So click add button and basically they'll be displayed. So I already have a lot of stuff added here. So I have all the counts. So again, we can see all stuff here. So it's actually like super advanced. Okay, and then also if you click this more option here on the bottom, we can also see your health stats, activity, performance stats. For example, again, we can see these things. So this is where they're located. For example, we can check our fitness age. So yep, very there's so much stuff actually on this watch. So also on the top we can click over here and again click on your device, and then you can also adjust all your settings essentially from the phone basically as well. By the way, again, if you want to adjust settings on the watch, we are simply going to hold the menu button, so do not click but hold it for like 2 seconds, maybe 1 second, and then as you see you actually have various things that you can like customize here. Again, if we go on the system settings, we have even more settings. So again, everything is located right over here. But again, most stuff also is located in the app, so we kind of even do not need to set up anything on the watch if you do not want, because on the app itself it's like way faster obviously to set this up and way easier to actually find all this stuff. Also we can set up the Garmin Pay here as well, and text responses, and again, yeah, absolutely loaded. Then also that Garmin Connect IQ app, so this is where we can essentially download more applications and more watch faces. Okay, so as you see, once I launch it, I have various categories here, but also I can click the search button here, and then I can either type in something here in search, or also choose from watch face category or app category or data field category. So again, simply browse through everything. There are tons of like different free watch faces that you can essentially send over to the watch. So yep, absolutely awesome watch in my opinion. Actually, I really like the build quality. The flashlight is absolutely awesome. The screen, yeah, I mean, it's totally next level. The GPS actually is super good. Also super good battery life. Also we have solar charging obviously. Yeah, this is easily one of my favorite watches actually of all time. Anyway, good luck guys.